and we still dey discuss the matter. You as man, shey go fit marry babe wey get PCOS, and you as woman, if a man can't tell you person wey you dey date, una dey together, your bobo come tell you say how far this marriage not go work o, and now if you go see your parents based on say you get PCOS, how you go take handle am? Shey na valid reason for man to leave? You go look and say I agree with you, if na me sef I go do am. PCOS just means polycystic ovary syndrome, and wetin e mean na hormonal disorder wey dey common among women wey dey of reproductive age. As long as say you fit take in, you don reach that stage wey be say you dey see menstrual period, all of those kind yes, so na the thing be that, and e involve infrequent or prolonged menstrual period. Some people fit stay 3 years, they never see period. Some people fit stay 1 year, they never see period. Some people, you go come this month, no go come this month. Those kind of things here, now wetin they call PCOS. And wetin be the signs? Well, how you go take know? Number 1, ovulation issue, hormonal imbalance, excess hair for your body. For you go see people with so much hair for chin when they not be man, acne, metabolic issue, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, so many things like that. Now wetin they call PCOS. And one guy don't come out contour say he break up with him babe based on say the babe get PCOS. So this one from Solomon Buchi. He talk say it's fair not to marry someone because you cannot handle the reality of their health challenge. The guy said he couldn't marry a woman with PCOS, and I asked what if she developed it after marriage, and he said he would end the marriage. I think a man should stick by his wife and fight the sickness together. If it gets worse, they can adopt a child. It's always an option. I don't think a man should leave his dear wife just because of his sickness. That means you don't truly love her, because it is for better for what. It dey baffle me why a person wey dey educated, wey get sense, when woman born will tell you say because of PCOS I no go marry you. I not to say your reason is not dey valid o, but they try let you know say look at am from the brighter side. Not be only PCOS fit happen no. So many other things this marriage wey we dey talk about, not be small thing. So many other things dey inside, not be only PCOS. And again, this PCOS of a thing, if it happen after the marriage, think am from the flip side. If it happen after the marriage, if it happen at any time, as long as say you be woman, your reproductive organ e dey active, trust me, anybody fit catch am. Sometimes if it be hereditary and it go dey dormant, now later in life you go come show face. So you see this thing, not be by who get sense pass o, if it show up anytime.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.